हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज एडवोकेट तुषार कुमार। आज आप लोगों के कुछ सवाल जो आपने देसी कानून पे पोस्ट किए थे, आई विल बी आंसरिंग दोस। These questions are regarding arbitration in India. So out of a bunch of questions that I got, I am handpicking three most important questions which I think need to be answered. So the first question is that what is arbitration and what are its benefits? Like, what are the pros of arbitration? At its core, it can be said that arbitration is a form of dispute resolution. It is a private judicial determination of a dispute by a neutral third party. An arbitration hearing may involve the use of an independent arbitrator or a tribunal. So essentially, arbitration is an alternative to litigation and usually just as binding as effective as litigation. So there are many advantages of arbitration. To name a few, parties get to choose their arbitrator. So essentially, parties have an option to choose the decision maker. Arbitration is an efficient method of dispute resolution. Arbitration can usually be heard sooner than it takes for court hearings to be heard. Arbitration promotes privacy. Arbitration hearings are private and confidential, and media and general public are not allowed to attend them. The final decision of an arbitration is not made public and is also not directly accessible by the public. Arbitration is a very convenient form of dispute resolution. Arbitration hearings can be arranged at a time suitable for the parties, the arbitrators, and the witnesses. Arbitration is a flexible form of dispute resolution, as the procedures can be segmented, simplified, or streamlined according to the circumstances. The next question is that how can one prepare themselves for a career in arbitration whilst they are young professionals or are law students? There's many things you can do as a young lawyer or a law student in order to foster an effective career in arbitration. You can join a chapter or a community exclusively designed for young professionals and law students for the promotion of arbitration. There are many such communities like the Young MCIA, which is an initiative by the Mumbai Center of International Arbitration, Young SIAC, which is an initiative by the Singapore International Arbitration Center, Young ICC, etc. You can take up courses on arbitration, which can help you sharpen your skills. You can write for blogs like Mondat. Most importantly, you should learn how to draft a contract. When you know how to draft a commercial contract, you will automatically get a sense of interpreting the arbitration clauses and can advise your clients effectively. You should track global developments in the field of arbitration and constantly update yourself by reading the latest case laws, latest judgments, and latest developments in India as well as abroad. The third question is that are there any specific courses designed for arbitration in India? There are many courses like certificate courses and postgraduate diplomas in arbitration. To name a few, there is a postgraduate diploma in alternate dispute resolution offered by NALSAR. There is a certificate course in arbitration offered by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. And if you do some research online, you will come across a few other courses related to arbitration.